Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I want to continue my memorize, but now I'm still in flu condition. So I feel today is bad, but it's not so bad. But I think it's not like a common day. But now is I feel so sick because I get flu, headache, and other disease. But I'm still make a video. The first is I want to make a video about vocab and text. The first is confine. Confine is mengatakan pertemuan. I will confine later. That is highlight menandakan I will highlight my English. So that is preserve. Preserve is melestarikan. I will preserve my brain. So that is other menghormati. Other my parents. Other is rejoice bersukacita. I will rejoice about that and distribute I will distribute my production. After is incorporate menggabungkan. I will incorporate my company. Aku akan menggabungkan perusahaanku. And then promote is mempromosikan. I will promote my products. And then is like showcase, memamerkan. I will showcase my girlfriend. Is inspire, menginspirasi. I will inspire my student. After that is capture, menangkap moment. I will capture this moment. After that is like revive in Free Fire, in Fire game. That is revive kembali. I will revive my friends. Is admire, mengagumi. I will admire your achievement. Attract, that is menarik perhatian. I will attract your attention, and that is mark, menandai. I will mark you, and then greet. I will greet you every day. That is tidy. That is merapikan. I will tidy my room. After tidy is like indulge. That is memanjakan diri. I'm never indulge myself. Then adorn, memerintah. I will adorn my memories with this from BEC. That is BHB and Bisita. And then is complain. That is mengeluh. I will complain. I'm never complain. Then the next is explore. I will explore this part in school. And that is influence. That is mempengaruhi. I will influence my friends. After that, the last is collaborate. That is bersama. I will collaborate with other company. And the next is about text. The text is about festival in my country. About that is Independence Day. But it is almost the same with chapter before. Have the different words or sentence. I will start in festival in my country. In my country, we celebrate a big festival called Independence Day. It's on 17th of August, and then early in the morning, people decorate their houses with red and white flag, balloons, and light. Then there is a ceremony. There is a flag ceremony at school, office, and in the village. Everyone wears white and red clothes to show love for the country. After the ceremony, children play traditional games like sack race, and then eating crackers, and then purple crackers. But for adults, join like tug of war is cooking contest, and then is bike decorating. And the next is about text, but about the same. But in the evening, people gather for music performances and cultural games. There is also the firework like in the sky, After that is families enjoy special meals together, like grilled chicken, spicy noodles, and traditional cake. My neighbor share food and stories, making the festival more joyful. The celebration makes us so proud with our histories and remind us to work together as one united nation. Just that, I memorize this day. I think enough. But thank you for your attention. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. But now I'm still so sad because I miss with my teacher. is this will be easy. Thank you so much. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.